Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. I'm back with another video on how to sign up or enroll for German American bank accounts. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account for German American bank, then you'll need to enroll first. Go ahead and open up a web browser in order to start. In the web address bar at the top, type in German American Bank Login and search. You'll be able to see the search result for your search on the next page. Click on the first link that you see, and this will take you to the home page for German American Bank. Here, you can simply go ahead and enter your login details if you already have an account. But if you'd like to enroll, click on this Enroll Now link. Go ahead and fill in all of the information on the next page. Start by your username that you'd like to use for your account, and then head over to the password field and create a password. Make sure that your passwords must have some criteria. While creating a password, you should create at least 6 lengths minimum password. Your passwords must have a mix of letters, numbers, or special characters. Once your password meets the criteria, you can move on and retype in the password one more time on the next field. To double check your password, click on the Show link right beside your password. Now right under Personal Information, type in your first name. Head over to the next one and you can type in your middle initials if available. If not, type in your last name. Enter your suffix. Enter your date of birth information on the next. Type in your mother's maiden name. Mention your social security number. Under Contact Information, enter your street address. Select your state from the drop-down. Type in the name of your city, your zip code, and your email address. Once you're done, head over to the next field and select your account type from the drop-down. Make sure to select the account type that matches the account number that you are about to enter below. Finally, click on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions of services and click on Complete Sign Up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enroll for online banking for German American bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.